bésame porque por dentro sabes.
Hola amigos, ¿cómo se encuentran? Espero que muy bien. Soy Verónica y hoy por fin les tengo un video. Primero que todo tienen que tener instalado la aplicación Termux, y para esto lo buscan en Google. Buscan primero la aplicación Android en donde encontrarán muchas aplicaciones. Damos buscar Termux, y lo descargamos. Recuerden que el Termux de la Play Store ya no funciona. Antes de empezar a utilizar Termux debemos siempre actualizar. Escribimos update y oprimimos enter. Acto seguido escribimos upgrade.
Trying to survive every day, every night is a fight. I hold tight, shot through the heart. You are tearing me apart. Don't you know I love you? What am I supposed to do?
Hoy vamos a instalar aplicación Termux y para ello necesitamos instalar unos repositorios primero, apt install hit. Luego, apt install php. Después, apt install curl. Luego, apt install ruby.
We used to hide under the covers, serenade each other with careless melodies. Something buried deep inside us, the major and the minor were like piano keys. You played for me.
Después, install figlet. Luego, apt install Python 2.
Couldn't stop the world from turning. It was like a whirlwind, scattered us like leaves. But I'm stuck inside a feeling, a song that never leaves. We were like a symphony. You played for me. You played for me. Oh, you played for me. I sleep in my sleep. I hear it like a memory of everything we used to be. You played for me.
Después, install lolcat. Luego, clonamos el repositorio con el comando git clone.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing
Cuando ya se instale el repositorio, listamos con el comando ls y nos aparecerá una carpeta así. Entramos en la carpeta con el comando cd TOOLSINS. Y luego aplicamos el archivo bas.
We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we set it sail. And all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of
Si te gustan mis videos apóyame, sería muy hermoso de su parte, gracias. También quiero abrir un canal en Telegram por si tienen dudas, opiniones, aportes, sería genial. Bueno, me despido, besos y chao.